The recorded data can also be exported directly to Excel. To export the data, first highlight the data file in the Data File bar by clicking on it. Now click on the Export to Excel button. An export window will now open. Click on Browse and set the location where you want the Excel file created and choose a name for the file. Once this is done, click on the Open button. You are now ready to export the data to this file. You can export RMS data, demand data, harmonic data, or interharmonic data. Note that harmonic and interharmonic data can be exported as a percent of the fundamental or as an actual RMS value. To start the export, just click on the button of the parameter you wish to export. Once the export is finished, you will see a message that the export was successful. Just click OK to close that window. You can now view and manipulate your data using Excel.